friends, in second video of the idea of the Python operators. We are going to discuss about the assignment operator. Assignment operators are just like, say, x equal x plus 1. It means you are adding x plus 1 and then the result you are storing in x. This can be written as like, it means x is x plus 1 stored, so you can write x plus equal 1, both will have the same. So it is just like x minus equal 1. So this x minus equal to 1 is nothing but x equals x minus 1. So first the x, like its associativity is from the right to left, so the x minus 1 will be calculated first and then the result will be stored into the x. So this is how it works, and it's a true for all, like um, plus equal, here it is, you have plus equal, so and then you have minus equal, you have percentage equal, you have and equal, like this you have and equal, you have not equal, and you have to the power equal. So it's just like this, and these are called the assignment operators. Second type of operators we have, they are called as comparison operators. Comparison operator means here you have equal, this is the real equality, just the equals, and the outcomes of these operators are always boolean, like x equal to y. If it is, it can be true or false, depending on your answer will be true or false, logical type. Or you can say uh, not equals, then you have less than, greater than, this is the x greater than y, and then you have less than, then you have less than or equal to, then you have greater than or equal to, then you have not equal to. These are called the logical operators, this is, sorry, comparison operators. Then you have another set of operators called as logical operators. Logical operators means when you have to combine two or more relational operators or the comparison operators, then you need, like suppose it's just like combining two statements together. We have three operators, one is and, other is or, and one is not. So how it is used is just like, if x, like if x greater than y and x greater than z. So you are just trying here in this condition, we have two statements, x greater than y, the answer of this will be true or false. Then you have x greater than z, that is the answer of the also that's true or false. Now you are connecting these two, assign this to comparison or relational operators, or you can say this comparison operators with the help of this keyword and. So and you know that if both statements, like if this and this, if both are true, then only the whole condition will be called true. It's just like, suppose I just try to explain it with a just tiny example, like if I have x equal 10 and y equal to 4 and z equal to 11, and it has say, if I just say, like if x greater than y and x greater than z, print high, else print y. So now I run the code, so the outcome of this one will be, just run it. Oh, here I have written y, I say by. Now yes, so the output is by, it means x is greater than y, 10 is greater than 4 is true, but the 10 is not greater than z, so this is becoming true and this is becoming false. So true and false becomes false. Now if I say, if I just make it 9, then 10 greater than 4 is true, and the 10 greater than 9 is also true. So now let's see, the output will be high. So here it is. So this is the idea of the logical operators, where and, or not. Those who have studied mathematics, they may understand, it's called the logical connectives, where two or more operators are connected like that. Now we have another kind of operators called as identity operators. Identity operators means it just checks whether it is there, like x in y, whether x is present in y or not, or x is not in y, x in y. Oh my god, what is happening here? And then I say x is not in y, like the x in y or x is not in y. Oh sorry, x is y or x is not y. Now let's see the output. I just take x equal to 11, y equal to 13, and then I say print x is y. Let's see the output. Then here I write print x is not y. Now here the output. So the first x is y is true. Why is so there? Because it is just like, it's just taking the type of them, like x is y is the type of variable, x is the type of the variable y. Now I make it different. So x is y, so this is float type and this is integer type, they are different. So the first one will become false and second one will become true. Now see, so this is how it is working. This is called the identity operator. It's just like when one variable is dealing with another variable. Suppose if you put one integer value in one variable and the one float value in another variable and try to do the operation, so you have to typecast, you have to convert one type of the value to another type, otherwise the addition will have some loss of information called the generality of the loss, and it's called some value may be deprecated, and that will result to the errors. So then you have also another kind of set of operations, operator exactly, it's called as identity operator. Identity operator, this we have done, sorry. We have another membership operator. Membership operator, it is just like whether one is a member of another or not. It just like it says that. So slowly, with the help of some examples, some a different variety of examples, all the idea about the variable and the operations along with the for loop, while loop will be clear. Thank you very much. Stay tuned to our channel and keep asking the questions, guys, and this is a way we can grow together. Thank you very much. Have a nice time and just stay healthy.